The unit's remarkably compact size and ability to be mounted in any orientation without needing to be leveled make installation incredibly flexible and straightforward. A bright, clear digital display provides at-a-glance information on your output and sync settings, and it will also alert you to any overloads or short circuits. Simple push-button controls allow for precise adjustments to both the braking power for different trailer weights and the activation speed to match your personal driving style. This versatile controller is powerful enough to manage trailers with up to 8 brakes, making it suitable for a wide range of towing applications. Built with advanced internal circuitry, the controller is well protected against electrical damage, ensuring reliable performance on 12-volt negative ground systems. The included vehicle-specific wiring harness for General Motors models simplifies the setup process, transforming a potentially complicated job into a quick plug-and-play installation.